Welcome to the Gold Market Review for February 10th, 2026. We'll be providing an educational overview of today's gold market dynamics. Our report offers a calm, factual, and educational perspective on the current gold trading environment, utilizing professional financial charts and data. Let's begin with a general market overview of recent gold price action. As of February 10th, 2026, gold prices held above the key $5,000 level after extended volatility, with spot gold trading around $5,025 per ounce. Bullion remains supported by continued safe haven demand and soft macro signals, even as markets await fresh U.S. economic data. Next, let's examine the key macro indicators shaping current market behavior. The dollar index remained in the mid-96 range, a modest weakening, while the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield hovered near 4.14%. Global policy rhetoric and trade negotiations continue to influence sentiment, with investors pricing in potential shifts in monetary policy ahead of key economic data releases. We now turn our attention to the technical and supply dynamics influencing gold prices. Technical momentum indicators currently show a neutral stance, suggesting a digestion phase rather than strong directional acceleration after gold's movement above $5,000. Global trade and supply narratives continue to play a central role, influencing how bullion demand interplays with broader commodity pricing and investor positioning. Let's look at the underlying structural demand from geopolitical and institutional capital flows. Structural reserve accumulation by central banks and emerging market blocs continues to provide an underlying bid for gold, reinforcing its role as a strategic reserve asset. Traders are closely watching intermediate support and resistance zones to gauge if consolidation will persist or if a new directional phase may emerge. To conclude, let's summarize the key takeaways from today's market review. In summary, the market remains elevated after recent volatility, supported by a softer dollar environment and ongoing macro considerations. This context is vital for understanding the near-term outlook. Thank you for watching this educational gold market review. Please remember this content is for educational reporting only and is not financial advice. Subscribe for daily market reports.